Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Reggae Boys coach Steve McLaren will have a new advisor as sporting director at Cavalier. Rudolph Speed has been officially appointed as a member of staff following Jamaica's embarrassing first-round exit at the Gold Cup in June. Speaking with TVJ Sports, Ricketts revealed that the JFF Board of Management had approved the appointment.
Board some hours ago would have approved Rudolph Speed as the technical advisor to our technical program, which means that he will be with the team, he will be in the locker room, he'll travel around with the team, he will advise the coach, they'll work closely together. Of course, McLaren, Speed, and of course the other two assistants, they will work as we try to craft a path forward that will take us to the World Cup.
Ricketts also stated that McLaren is on board with the decision.
I would have spoken to him on phone. I would have spoken to him in person. So we all are on one page. The coach is happy to have Speed, and Speed is very happy to be working with the coach.
The Reggae Boys have been drawn alongside Trinidad and Tobago, Curacao, and Bermuda in Group B of the final round of World Cup qualifiers. They will begin their final round campaign with an away clash against Bermuda on September 5 before facing regional rivals Trinidad and Tobago on September 9 at the National Stadium. Defending champions Arnett Gardens started their CONCACAF Caribbean Club Shield campaign on a positive note as they defeated the Blanc FC of Dominica 4-0 at the Atto Bolden Stadium in Trinidad on Sunday night. Giovanni Taylor opened the scoring for Arnett in the 9th minute. 2 minutes later, it was 2-0 as Shea Smith got his name on the score sheet. Smith popped up again, scoring a brace in minute 16. Substitute Shantamoy Taylor scored the Junglists' fourth in second half stoppage time. They will next play AC Port of Spain on Tuesday. And finally, members of the sporting fraternity joined in the tribute for the late Don Wehby following his passing on Saturday at the age of 62. In a statement on Sunday, the Minister of Sport, Olivia Grange, praised Wehby for his contribution to sports, especially through the company he led, Grace Kennedy, and its support of the Inter-Secondary School Boys and Girls Championships champs and cricket. Wehby was a former champion in the Class 3 100-meter hurdles during his high school days. Meanwhile, the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association J3A also expressed its sadness through President Garth Gale. Gale said Wehby was a cornerstone in the building of the sport, and his tangible support to the national teams, individuals, and development programs ensured continuous success. Wehby was also a racehorse owner at Oak Ridge Farm with several outstanding horses, the best of the lot being 2022 and 2023 Horse of the Year Atomica, the Super Filly who landed him his first set of classic success. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.